Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗲𝗵𝗿. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price after sharp rise from $1,812 till $2,135 on upside had given a trendline breakdown, indicate bearish trend in upcoming trading sessions. However, precious metal price failed to breach key resistance of $2,065 and heading downward towards its target of $2,003 and $1975 in near term. MCX gold price has started forming lower high lower low formation, holding key resistance at 62,800 level on upside, and any break below 62,000 level which act as a support will drag the price further down till 61,600 and 61,200 level in short to medium term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.